Alright, y'all. This is what we're up against today. Got a little behind a shopping plaza, back alley, right outside of Philadelphia. Little blindside action going on back here. Alright, this is where we're at. This is the dock I had to work with. It's not even 4 tractor trailers. But I got it in there, took my time, went through the motions. In situations like this, you know, obviously not having through traffic is very beneficial because you don't feel rushed and stuff like that. But getting out and looking, checking where you're at, reassessing, and going from there is probably the best way to do it. I'm back here by myself. Nobody helped me. Nobody cited me or anything. I'm waiting to get unloaded here. It's like a little furniture store, but they got another truck in their other dock, so this is the only one I had to choose from. They didn't have enough room for the freight in the other one where the other guy's unloading because he also has a full trailer. So yeah, I did not have a lot of room here. A little tight, as you can see, but come on. We got it done. We got her in there. It can be done. Just take your time. Don't rush. Don't be smashing shit up. Just get through it. Nice and easy. Get out and look. Reassess. And you'll get it in there. Bang. Anyway, that's all I had. Everybody be safe. Be good. Peace.